is Mark, and I will be your English teacher. And first, I'd like to introduce you a little bit to where I'm from and a little bit about me. Okay, so first things first, I'm from California. This is where I was born, and I went to school at UC Santa Barbara. Okay, so think of sunny days and beaches and good weather. That's where I'm from. Okay, now while I was at Santa Barbara, I studied linguistics. Linguistics is one of those fancy words they use at school. This just means language. So, I studied a lot of language in school. Okay? So this is why it made a lot of sense for me to come to Taiwan to teach English. And, as you can see at my fourth point here, I've been in Taiwan now for 4 years. So, I really understand the kinds of mistakes that Taiwanese English speakers make. Okay? I know what's difficult for Taiwanese speakers. I know what's easy for Taiwanese speakers. So we won't waste our time on the boring stuff, and we can focus on the interesting stuff. Okay? So, come with me, trust me, and I promise that your English will improve. So, you've signed up for my class, but you're wondering what kind of teacher Mark is. What kind of class does he teach? So, I would like to tell you a little bit what I have heard from other students that I have taught. Okay? So, one thing a lot of students say about me is I am very relaxed when I teach, and they feel relaxed in my class. Okay? That means I introduce new material. I don't push very hard, right? We learn something new, we try it, we find a mistake, we try it again, okay? So it's a very relaxed environment. There's no need to be nervous in my class, okay? Another thing is I'm always friendly in my class. I show up with a smile, we have fun, we make sure that we remember why we're studying English. Because we enjoy it, because it's useful, because we want to be here, right? So, I always stay friendly and make sure you enjoy your class with me. Another thing is we oftentimes make mistakes when we're learning a new language. It's difficult. We have to change our Chinese brain into our English brain. It takes time, and that means you need a patient teacher. I'm very patient. I will give you time to try and speak new things, explain new ideas. We will go slow and make sure that you learn at a solid, good pace. And the last thing I'd like to mention, my students are very happy with the fact that I'm very familiar with Taiwan. I know what kind of mistakes Taiwanese speakers make. I know lots of times what they're thinking of when they're trying to say something. So, for me, you don't have to worry that we won't understand each other. I can help you find a way to say what you want to say and to say it the way you want to say it. Okay? So, these are a few things that students say about me, and I look forward to getting your feedback as well. Thank you.